Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I think this is why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy because we hear that all of our lives, but seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hi guys, it's your Diana, and I'm back for this. You know, I usually don't talk about my weight and my topics about my weight, but lately, this has been really hard, and people have been saying so many things about my weight. Like my stomach is fat and my thighs are thick, and so I'm just not pretty enough. And it's really getting to me. It's to the point where I just want to give up. Like, people are talking so bad about me. People act like I ain't got feelings. People talk about my weight, people talk about my height. And I'm just tired of it. I'm so hurt. I'm so angry. This world is cruel. This world is so cruel. And I'm just so fat, ugly. Do anymore. Girl, bye. If you know me, you know I'm confident in everything I do. I'm fat, oh well. Tall, oh well. A nigga not know, a man's not gonna like me. Oh well. Let me tell you something. If you know me, you know I feel like I'm the shit. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this is so cute. Like, I would just wear this to be wearing, and it's like, my thing is, and my motto has always been, work with what you got to get what you want. I mean, I have a size 2, but baby, the size 22 is even better. Like, I used to be like that too, where people just say, oh my gosh, you're fat. Oh my gosh, you're this. Oh my gosh, you're that. And it's just like, okay. Like, eventually I got to the point where it was just like, you know, we in quarantine. We've been in quarantine for some months now. I've never been a size 2, and I don't plan on being a size 2 ever. And your opinions don't matter to me. You don't pay my bills. You don't feed me. You ain't there through the emotions that I go through. You don't do anything to contribute to anything in my life. So I don't care. I've been wanting to make this video for a minute. It's just been on my heart to make this video, so I don't know if this is for somebody. Y'all know I usually make videos when I get like a message to somebody. I want to tell y'all, if you feel like this way, or you feeling lonely, or feel like because you're fat you won't be loved, or because you're fat no one will like you, because you're fat you're this, because you're fat you're that, let me tell you something. Growing up in this industry, I'm gonna tell you, a lot of these men be fronting. Like, there's a lot of men that feel like they don't care about your weight. There's some men that really like your weight. There's some men that prefer skinny girls, and there's some that prefer big girls. I just want you to know, whatever size you are, flaunt it, because you only get one you. You gotta be confident in everything that you do. You have to be confident in everything that you don't do. You just gotta be confident, even if you don't think you're confident, or put off this decision that in your mind you aren't confident. You show to the world that you are confident, because you never know who's looking at you. You might save a life. Like, this is why I do my videos when I do my videos, because I feel like if I do my videos, like, every, put myself on the schedule, I feel like it's forced. I've had my YouTube channel for like 3 years now, and as you see, my subscriber list is like 0 to none. Reason being, because I don't put in the effort. I feel like the things I've said in the past and the things I'm saying now are meant for someone. And I've always said this, if I go somewhere on YouTube, cool. If I don't, cool too, because I use my platform to help and inspire people. That means also like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications, because listen, you never know, a message might come up and it might be for you. I want you to remember to be bold, brave, and be beautiful. Be yourself, because you only get one you. Be you, because you only get one you. I mean, work what you got. I mean, I didn't get no butt. I'm big, and I always felt like people didn't like me, and guess what? I don't care if you like me, if you don't like me, because at the end of the day, it is what it is. I do my thug thistle, period. My hair looks a mess, and guess what? I don't care. I don't care. We have so many, much more important things to worry about. So yeah, this ain't really be a long video. Like, it's gonna be like a 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, about 7-minute video, because I feel like a lot of people expect you to be like, oh my gosh, crying and stuff. Don't let these people fool you. If you want to lose weight, you lose weight. If you don't want to lose weight, then don't. If you want to do this, do it you. The person, because you have to look into the mirror every day, not nobody else. Nobody else, and whoever loves you, gonna love you for you anyway. Because if they don't, and if they want you to alter yourself, then they're not meant for you. Period. I know several men. Several men. And if you're a woman, several women love a big girl. There's several men that love big girls, and they'll tell you, I like a big girl. Period. And you're just as pretty as some other girls. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror, may it always